Ag leadership, we teach kind of the farm to table. We teach the kids where their food comes from, where the clothes come from, that everything starts with a farmer. They learn about FFA, then they get to take care of the animals here on campus, the garden, and all of that good stuff. So we take what Tarver-Rendon has done. They have done some amazing things with their garden, and so those kids come into class with that knowledge already and have ideas of what they want to do, and they share it with the students that didn't get to go to Tarver-Rendon, and they just take it and just keep going a little bit further and a little bit further with it.
I started out at Tarver-Rendon, and they had a small ag program, and then I got into it and I started doing FFA, and then I came here and it got a little more serious and I got more serious in it, and now I just want to be a breeder and continue my passion for FFA. So today we were releasing turkeys into our new built turkey coop, and all the kids from ag helped build that.
I love just being a leader and being able to do this in general, because I know a lot of people aren't able to do this and don't have the opportunity to do this in their schools. So I just really like taking care of the animals, I like bonding with them, and I like making friends every year.
I think the goal is just to get them excited and understand how important the agriculture industry really is to everybody. And you know, everybody thinks of just farming and plants, and there's so much more that goes into it. And getting these kids to start off at such a young age gives them such an advantage when they get to the high school and they're taking classes that actually sends them on a career path. I just love watching the kids learn.